Making homemade pasta from scratch is simple and rewarding. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 2 cups 250 grams all-purpose flour or 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 cup semolina flour for extra texture, 3 large eggs, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Optional: 1 tablespoon olive oil for smoother dough. Instructions: 1. Prepare the dough on a work surface. Make a mound with the flour and create a well in the center. Add the eggs, salt, and olive oil if using into the well. Mix. Gradually whisk the eggs with a fork, slowly incorporating the flour from the edges until it forms a shaggy dough. 2. Knead the dough. Gather the dough and knead it on a lightly floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. If the dough is too sticky, add a little more flour. If it's too dry, add a tiny bit of water. 3. Rest the dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap or cover with a damp towel. Let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. This helps relax the gluten, making it easier to roll. 4. Roll out the dough. Divide the dough into smaller portions. Using a rolling pin or pasta machine, roll each portion out into thin sheets about 1 to 2 millimeters thick. Dust.